guys, welcome to Short and Simple Recipes. Today we are going to make chocolate truffle cake. So I have taken 1.5 cup of compound dark chocolate. And melt it with the help of double boiler. Now I will add 1 cup of fresh cream in batches and mix it well. Now I will add the remaining cream and mix it well. Once the chocolate ganache is ready, I will cling foil it and refrigerate it for almost 2 to 3 hours. You can make it the previous night also and keep. Now for the dry ingredients, I will sieve 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, now to it I will add 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. Now for the wet ingredients, I will add 4 eggs, now I will add 1 cup of sugar in batches and beat it well. To the egg and sugar mixture, I will add 100 ml of oil and mix it. Make sure you do not overdo it. Now we will grease the tin with oil. Put the baking paper in the tin and grease it again with oil. And to the wet ingredients, we will add the dry ingredients in batches. After mixing, if you think that your batter is too thick, add a mixture of hot water and coffee to it. Now transfer the batter into the tin. Make sure you do not fill more than half, otherwise the batter will rise and flow out of your tin, which happened to my cake. Now bake this batter in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for almost 35 to 40 minutes. Once the cake is ready, cling foil it and allow it to cool down. Once the cake has cooled, we will separate the cake from the tin and slice it into layers. Now we will give the chocolate ganache a whisk. Now we will start icing the cake. Take a cake board, add the chocolate ganache, spread it a little, add the first layer of cake. Then to it we will add the sugar syrup and then the chocolate ganache. And coat the layer of cake with it well. In the similar way, we will layer the cake and apply chocolate ganache over it. Now we will level it well. Now we will refrigerate it for 15 minutes before adding the second layer of ganache. Coat the cake well with the chocolate ganache. After we have coated it, we will refrigerate the cake for 5 minutes before garnishing it. I have garnished the cake with Kit Kat. You can garnish it with the chocolate of your choice. And our cake is ready.